Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you unfriend someone into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application. And after opening the Facebook application, simply click into these three bars into the top right corner. And after clicking there, you will be prompted into menu of Facebook. You just simply have to tap into your name icon here. And then scroll a bit and you can see all of your friends into Facebook. Just simply click to the profile of the friend that you want to unfriend. From there, you can see this friends, messages and three dots. You just simply have to click into this friends option here. And after clicking into that, you will get all of this unfriend, take a break, edit friend list, favorites and unfriend option. You just simply have to click into this unfriend at last and click to confirm now. Then your friend will successfully be unfriended. By following these very easy steps, you can also unfriend anyone into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.